Now we are ready to move on to the entry rules this system uses. First, I will go through the long entry rules. We have 4 possible long entry scenarios. But before we start with them, I want to mention something. The rules are arranged in such order that we start from the most secure one with the highest probability of success and less risk, and then we are going down to those that have high risk. They are ordered in this way because the most secure entries are giving you the best possible high probability setups that are best for the beginners. So my advice is to spend enough time to study each of them, starting with the first more secure entry, and only when you have learned it well to move to the next of the list. By enough time, I mean at least a month or so, and if needed more. By doing this, you are on the right way to learn the system better and become a better trader. Otherwise, you run on the risk to jump right from the beginning onto the advanced setups without knowing the basics of the system well. Now, let's start with the most accurate and precise long entry, called the conservative long entry. Here, the trend entry indicator should be colored in blue, and the green long label should appear on the right upper corner as it is right now. Next, the trend enforcer indicator should be colored in blue, and the green long label should appear on its right side. Then, the trend generator indicator's histogram should be colored blue, and the green long label should appear on its right side. Here, it doesn't matter if the histogram is above or below the zero level. We want only for it to be colored in blue. Next, on the M30 chart, both the trend entry indicator and the trend generator indicator should be colored blue, showing uptrend on that higher time frame, as this is shown right now on this chart. Here, we don't use the trend enforcer indicator at all. Also, it doesn't matter if the trend generator indicator is above or below the zero level. All that matters is for both these indicators, trend entry and trend generator indicators, to be colored in blue. Then, on our trading time frame, which is 5 minutes, a buy order is placed at the opening of the next candle after all the above conditions were fulfilled. In this case, at this level here. Stop loss is set 3 to 5 pips below the most recent swing low point, which is somewhere at this red line. Take profit target is set 10 to 20 pips depending on the pair and market volatility. Thus, for more volatile pairs like Euro-Japanese yen, for example, the take profit target would be closer to 20 pips. This one, USD Swiss franc, it will be 10 pips. Also, if the market moves more rapidly and makes big moves, take profit target would also be bigger and close to 20 pips, instead of times when market moves sideways and there isn't so much movement. Also, the profit could be maximized by monitoring the trade and closing it manually once the trend entry indicator or trend generator indicator show an opposite signal. This means that if the trend entry indicator, for example, changes its color to red, or if the trend generator indicator changes its histogram's color in red also.